Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you have seen our first video, whatever we have released regarding APPSC recruitment, especially Assistant Environmental Engineering post. So that Assistant Environmental Engineering post, what we discussed, there is the old pattern of syllabus. There is a corrigendum released to the old notification, old syllabus, revised syllabus came. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the revised syllabus, latest syllabus for environmental engineer, assistant environmental engineer post in APPSC. The old video syllabus is a previous wala. It's not at all now they are following. Latest revised corrigendum came. Regarding the revised syllabus, we are making this video. Very clear. Revised syllabus, we are talking about two posts. In the morning previous video, we have discussed. There are two posts are there. One is Polytechnic lecturers. One is Polytechnic lecturers released on December 21st notification. Another one is Assistant Environmental Engineers in AP Pollution Control Board notification released on 26th December. And for this Assistant Environmental Engineer, tomorrow site is open for application. 19th February is the last date. Exam is conducted by April or May. So what is now our session? Very clear. We are talking about revised syllabus, latest revised syllabus for APPSC Assistant Environmental Engineer. Regarding that revised syllabus we are talking. Regarding that revised syllabus we are talking APPSC Assistant Environmental Engineer position. So this is given very clearly. This is the notice. Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission Vijayawada, corrigendum 2, original notification released on 26th December. Corrigendum 2, original notification is released on December 26th. To that original notification, they have revised corrigendum is provided. So far, it is hereby informed that Commission has revised the scheme and syllabus, both. Means exam pattern, number of papers also revised, syllabus also revised. Exam pattern, number of papers and syllabus both revised for Assistant Environmental Engineer in AP Pollution Control Board, APPCB, in APPCB. So, according to that, we have a new syllabus, revised scheme. What is revised scheme? So, before going to talk about revised scheme, first, what is old scheme? In old scheme, we are having, what we are having in old scheme? General Studies Paper 1, Civil or Mechanical or Chemical or Environmental Engineering Paper 2, Environmental Science and Technology Paper 3. Morning we discussed about this. Total 150 questions in each paper, 150 minutes duration, each question 1 mark, total 450 marks. This is morning what we discussed. This is according to 2016 pattern, old pattern. Very clearly. This is according to 6/12/2016, very old pattern. Now policy has been changed, modified. Policy has been changed, modified now. This is as per old pattern. Now new policy, new scheme. What is the new scheme? Only 2 papers. Only 2 papers, not the 3 papers. The 3 papers scheme is cancelled. 3 papers scheme is modified to 2 papers. What are the 2 papers? General Studies and Mental Ability and a common subject. See, instead of 3, paper 1 is same. What about paper 1? General Studies and Mental Ability, there is no change in paper 1. What I discussed in the previous video, General studies, mental ability, what we discussed? We have current affairs, history, polity, science and technology, geography, economy, and reasoning, mental ability, logical thinking. All the questions are there. So that is as it is. Paper 1 is the same. Paper 2 is changing. Please understand, this common subject is changing. Paper 1 and paper 2, these are replaced by paper 2. Only one paper. Paper 1 and paper 2 replaced by only one paper. What is the difference? We'll discuss detail. See, this is very clear. There is a paper 2 which is common subject for all branches. Common subject for all branches, because they have given the notification that it should be applied by civil, mechanical, chemical and environmental engineering. 4 branches of engineering. They have very clearly mentioned 4 branches students can apply. Civil, mechanical, chemical and environmental, 4 branches. So they have different syllabus pattern. Instead of it, they framed a common syllabus pattern. There is no paper 2, no paper 3. Only paper 2 is there. Paper 1 common. See, paper 1, 150 question, 150 minutes, 150 marks. Same like general studies. Same as it is like general studies. Paper 2 common subject, 150 question, 150 minutes, 300 marks. Please do remember this. Each question carry 2 marks. One question carries 2 marks. 150 questions, each question 2 marks for 300 marks. Then as per GOMS number 235 finance HR1, then what they are going to say? Each wrong answer, 1/3 of the marks prescribed. Negative marking will be there. Negative marking 1/3 depending upon the marks prescribed. 1/3 of marks. What is the negative marking? Negative marks exist. Negative marking exists. 1/3 of total. Means, for example, you are getting wrong answer in general studies. 1/3 of 1 mark, 0.33. For general studies paper, you are having 1/3 of 1 mark, 0.33. If you are getting in common paper, they are not saying it as a technical. Common paper for all branches, common subject. Each question 2 marks. If you get wrong answer, 0.66 marks, 1/3 of 2 marks you are going to get negative marking. Means guesswork not happening. So it is not at all workout regarding guesswork. If you know the answer, you can give the answer. If you are trying your luck, if you are giving a guesswork, already obtained marks also will be gone as a negative. So be careful while answering the questions. Be careful, keep it in mind while you are preparing. Your preparation also keep it in mind, because general studies carry negative mark, common subject also carry negative mark. 1/3 of allotted marks. 1/3 of allotted marks. I will summarize. I will summarize now. Previously, there is a 3 paper system. In the previous video, what we have done. Paper 1, general studies and mental ability. Paper 2, paper 3, technical syllabus, environmental syllabus. Now there are no 3 papers, only 2 papers. First paper is same, general studies and mental ability. As it is, no modification. Instead of paper 2 and paper 3, they have given only one paper, that is paper 2, common subject paper for all different branches, where 150 questions, each question 2 mark, 300 marks are there. And for both papers there is a negative marking, 1/3 of total marks. Negative marking for wrong answer. Negative marking for wrong answer. So what is the syllabus in common paper? Now our work is to check what is the syllabus, whether it is feasible for a civil engineer, whether it is feasible for a mechanical engineer, whether it is feasible for a chemical engineer. what is the syllabus? Yes, the syllabus. First topic, ecosystems. Ecosystem. See, when you take some +1, +2 intermediate textbooks, you get these topics. Or if you have any friends studying BSc degree with subject of botany, take their first year textbook, you are having this topic of ecosystem. Ecosystem, definition, scope, importance of ecosystem, classification, structure and function of ecosystem, food chains, food webs, ecological period, flow of energy, biogeochemical cycle, bioaccumulation, biomagnification, ecosystem value, services and carrying capacity. So this is completely GS, especially engineering services exam. We are having one paper, we call it as energy and environment. In that paper also same syllabus is there. Engineering services examination GS paper, and also group 1, group 2 GS we study this. So it will be helpful for those students, engineering students who prepared already for groups. They can crack it. But in civil engineering, mechanical, chemical engineering, we never study ecosystem under this syllabus. Maybe environmental, BTech environmental engineering students have this syllabus. And for mechanical, civil and chemical engineering students in their BTech, they have a subject called environmental studies. Not as a technical subject. We never take care of those subject, environmental studies. So in that subject, you may have this syllabus. But in technical syllabus, for civil, mechanical, chemical students, this syllabus is not there. So this is a very new thing for you. This is a very new thing for you. Then coming back to next. 2. Natural resources. So our hope on the jobs. The civil engineers hope on the job falling drastically. But remember beta, how much it is new for you, it is new to all engineering students. Not only to civil engineering student, whoever competing. It may be civil, mechanical, chemical, environmental. And among all the civil students also, everyone, it is new only. It is like Greek and Latin only. So natural resources, living, non-living resources, water resources, utilization of surface and groundwater, floods and droughts, dams, benefits and problem, mineral resources, environmental effects of extracting, mineral resources, forest resources, energy resources, same. As I told, there is a paper, energy and environment in engineering services GS, same syllabus is there. Fortunately, we are having this dams, benefits and problems, but don't go through deeper dam concept. The basic theory of dams and also surface and groundwater, well hydraulics we studied, floods and droughts. We discussed in hydrology. Surface and groundwater, floods and droughts, we discussed in hydrology. Then dams, benefits and problem, the theory from the irrigation chapter. Remaining everything is new, obviously new. Then coming to third one, biodiversity and biotic resources. Biodiversity and biotic resources. Introduction, definition, genetic, species, ecosystem diversity, value of biodiversity, consumptive use, productive use, social, ethical, aesthetic and optional uses, megadiversity, hotspots, threats. Completely it is a botany, biology. Completely, obviously it is botany. So again it is a general studies topic. Obviously it is a general studies topic. The resources, what are the resources? You can go through CBSE textbooks, +1, +2 CBSE textbooks, NCERT textbooks, or if any of your friends are studying BSc Botany, BSc Biology, Botany textbook, first year, second year textbooks, BSc, that textbooks will going to help you. Then, now coming to our engineering syllabus. First 3 parts, completely general. First 3 parts, first part is ecosystem, second part is resources, third part is biodiversity. Completely it is general environmental studies, not at all engineering subject. Now coming to engineering materials. Structure and properties of engineering material, phase diagram, heat treatment, stress strain diagram. This is similar to material science subject. Mechanical engineering students are most familiar. Civil engineering students know only stress strain diagrams. Remaining material properties, engineering materials, mostly civil students does not focus. Some videos of material science are available in YT. And also again there is a subject called material science in ESC engineering service exam. You can go through that subject, you can get the videos. So our favorite, what is our favorite? Now everyone can write civil, mechanical, environmental, chemical students, fluid mechanics and hydraulics. Newtonian, non-Newtonian fluids, fluid properties, pressure manometers, kinematics, continuity of classification of fluids, steam function, velocity potential function, dynamics, Bernoulli equation, impulse momentum equation. If you open your full length class plus class notes, same order. We study the fluid mechanics in the same order. As it is, Hazen-Poiseuille equation also there, Darcy-Weisbach equation is there, friction factor is there, head loss through pipe, bend, fittings, dimensional analysis, similarity law, elementary boundary layer theory. So our fluid mechanics plus course notes 100% enough. No need to study, nothing new, nothing outside. Take our fluid mechanics plus course notes, previous AE, AEE PYQs or SSC JE PYQs, enough. For number 5, our syllabus is enough. Our full length notes of fluid mechanics. Again, number 6, process calculation and thermodynamics. Process calculation and thermodynamics, law of conservation of mass and energy, use of tie components, recycle, bypass, purge calculation. It is again completely thermodynamics related to mechanical. You can do one thing, civil students, if any of your friends from mechanical engineering diploma background, take a textbook of thermodynamics from diploma engineering students, diploma students. That will be helpful. That is enough basic, very basic, simple basic things will be there in the textbook. You go through that process calculation and thermodynamics will be very easy part. And you just go through, after every chapter there are some descriptive questions, some MCQ questions, objective questions will be there. Just go through those questions, try to understand and solve that diploma standard textbook of thermodynamics from mechanical or chemical engineering, anything. Either mechanical or chemical engineering, diploma standard textbook, you can go through it. That is enough. Then again coming back to number 7, our favorite. Air, water, soil, noise, pollution and control technology. So everything is related to completely our environmental engineering. Water supply engineering, wastewater engineering, air pollution, noise pollution. Completely. When you see the entire syllabus also, everything, sludge process, septic tank, disposal, trickling filter, sedimentation, grid chamber, recycling of wastewater, completely related to our environmental engineering, water supply, wastewater, air pollution, included everything here, air, water, soil, noise pollution. So, number 5, fluid mechanics, hydraulic machinery, full hour notes. Number 7, water supply, wastewater, air and noise pollution. Again number 8, solid and industrial waste management. Completely solid waste management, what we have studied. Exclusive plus course on solid waste management we have done already. That exclusive plus course of solid and industrial waste management, that is helpful for you. So 5, 7, 8 is most familiar for civil engineering students. Then again came, so global environmental problems, policies, legislations. Global environmental problems, policies, legislation. So climate change, impact on human environment, ozone depletion, ozone depleting substances, deforestation, desertification. Some syllabus we talked about ozone depletion, ozone hole, ozone forming depletion substances we discussed. But again, so many things we have not covered which are new, climate change, Kyoto Protocol we have not discussed. So again here municipal solid waste management. So we have done I told you na separate course of solid waste management. Separate course of solid waste management. All these things. This is done. Ozone depletion and ozone depleting substances we have done. Nearly 30% syllabus is okay, which is similar to our environmental exclusive course of solid waste management and air pollution. In that we have covered, but not full part of part 9. So you want to study environmental studies, complete GS concept to crack assistant environmental engineer job for APPSC. I don't know why they have changed the syllabus. It is a big problem for a civil engineer to go through all this new syllabus. So I hope if you have a good knowledge of general studies, you have a good knowledge of environment, and you have prepared already, I am saying very clearly, if you have prepared already for general studies of groups or general studies of APPSC or TSPSC or any competitive exam, this paper will be easy. If your target is GATE, if your target is SSC JE, if your target is ESC, don't stop and don't deviate your preparation for this syllabus. For the old syllabus, it is very important. You can go ahead, write it, crack it. But for this new syllabus, already you are trying to achieve something in life like SSC JE or GATE or ESC. You continue that path, but write the exam. Please don't stop writing, write the exam, get some experience, get some knowledge, try from whatever you are having, but don't spend lot of time on this syllabus. So environmental impact assessment towards sustainable future. My suggestion is get some notes, material or some videos of energy environment subject from engineering services exam, material science subject again from engineering services exam. If you want the notes regarding this, if you want some notes, some material, just telegram me. KP Civil is my personal telegram name. KP Sir Students is my personal telegram channel group. Telegram group is KP Sir Students. Personal name of telegram channel is KP Civil. You can WhatsApp, you can telegram me. If you have my mobile number, you can WhatsApp me. I will send these notes to you. So nearly energy environment will cover 4 concepts. Material science will cover 1 concept. Botany textbooks, +1, +2 botany textbooks. It will cover 3 chapters. Most of the remaining syllabus is our environmental paper. So out of 10, without studying, you can write 3. Remaining 7 you have to study new for a civil engineering student. So based on that, you take a decision whether you need to spend a time on this or not. If your target is not already decided, you have to yet to start preparation, you can go for this. But this is only one exam. This syllabus nowhere you are having. In SSC JE, this syllabus may help chota sa, some small thing in GS. In ESC general studies it will help you, but nowhere in GATE and nowhere in other exams. So that depends on your time availability. That depends on your goal setting. So my honest suggestion, if you are having a goal, if you are geared up for SSC JE, if you are geared up for your state AE, AEE, if you are geared up for some other exams, don't deviate and put some time on this, because it is completely a new, you are entering into a new world. So, so in an academy, most of the students don't know, we have launched a new goal, SSC JE State AE English. Exclusively the students who are from South states, AP, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Orissa, West Bengal, and those who want exclusive English lectures by KP Sir and RP Sir. We teach with simple English language, very simple and understandable English language, and exactly what is needed for exam. We don't teach you PhD content. We don't teach you very small content. What is needed to crack the exam? That we are going to provide you in an exclusive goal of SSC JE State AE English. And now there is an offer going on flat 25%, additional months benefit. You can get 8 months subscription 6,792, 15 months for 8,000 rupees, 28 months for 11,250. So we are starting new batch for SSC JE State AE. I am going to start with building material. You know, building material is the basic subject, foundation subject which is needed. In any state AE, AEE and SSC JE, minimum 10 questions will be there from BMC, building material. So we are launching this building material from 31st onwards, day after tomorrow. Do join our courses, come under my personal guidance and let's crack your dreams.